You say you want to cook, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this one is egg. Fried egg for you guys to eat. Break the egg, let me see.
No, we did.
Open it fast. Oh yeah, open it fast. Okay. Add salt, let me see. If you like to take salt.
Salt?
Add. It's okay. you only add salt more. Okay.
Salt?
This is pepper fish. Oh yeah, it's okay. Okay, add again. Anything you add small, add again small. Add.
Okay.
You add small, not big. Oil in the pan. Oh yeah, add oil. This one is okay now.
Yes.
It's okay. Cover it. Oh yeah, now put your egg.
It is?
Okay.
And if you have
Oh yeah, now. This is the time of the truth. So I want to turn now. No, continue. Now you want to cook. People say fire burn you. Oh.
Like this. I'll cut it.
Okay. I want that you do like this, okay? It's done.
Okay,
Electric is done. This one okay. Your egg is on you. No, bring plate and complete your food. Bring plate so you can put the egg. Put it now. You hold this one, you do like this. You do like this. You do like this. You don't take one, see your head. Just take like this. This one might be enough, okay? This one is okay. Milk. Put milk in the pan. Don't let it throw. The pudding is not enough. Okay, this one is okay. Do like this, gently. Then go and keep it in the fridge. Put it in the fan. Oh yeah, put sugar, let me see. Okay. Is it this one?
Yes.
Go pass you. Muna check the nose. See this one, huh? You know what the food done? I wonder it's cooking for you. I tell you to. Now, come and carry it. Pour it here. Hold it well. Okay. Pour it on this plate. On this plate, so yeah. Okay. Alright, so your breakfast is ready.
Yes.
Now you can cook. Tomorrow you cook for yourself, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, let me help you. Let's go. That's so you can eat.
Okay.